Okay, so the way you can do this is basically number one, you need to have money. How much money? Let's talk about that. So there's two different options. Option number one is if you have a private brokerage that you're able to open an account with them, you can put your own money in there, for example, $500 or $1,000, and you can get started that way. But I don't recommend that if you don't know what you're doing. Which leads me to option number two. Now, option number two, what that is basically there's a thing called prop firms, okay? And a prop firm is nothing more than an agency that provides you with money in order for you to trade on their behalf. So the way this works is basically, okay, they have a bunch of different account sizes. So let's just say a $50,000 account, $25,000 account, $100,000 account, and so forth, right? They have different account sizes. Each account size you would have to take a test for if you want to, have access to that account size. Now, let's just say I'm on a $50,000 account evaluation, which is basically the test. That's what a test is. It's an evaluation. That evaluation has rules associated with it. Here's an example. One of the rules would be you would have to reach a profit target overall of $3,000, which means that when you're trading on that $50,000 test account, you have to reach $3,000 of a profit, and then you would pass your evaluation. Okay. You cannot lose more than $2,000, for example. That's another rule. You cannot make more than $1,500 on a daily basis until you pass the account evaluation. That would be another rule, right? So these evaluations have different sets of rules, and you would have to abide by those rules. Each evaluation is going to cost you, for example, a $50,000 account would cost you roughly around $130 to get started, somewhere more or less around that range. Now, let's just call that the fee for the test is $130, right? So you pay that, you take the test. Once you pass the test, you then are on a live account. With this live account, the money becomes real. So whatever trades you do, you're able to get paid out on it, but you won't be able to get paid out immediately. The way it works is you have to build up a buffer, or you have to build up a cushion, right? And basically what this means is, let's say you have a $50,000 account, you are trying to get paid out on it. You start off with $50,000, but before the prop firm is able to give you a payout, you have to bring your account balance up to $52,000 at minimum. So basically you would have to make $2,000 on your live account first. After you do that, then you're able to request a withdrawal whenever you want. That's really how these prop firms work. There's multiple prop firms. These prop firms all have different rules, very, very similar rules, but they're different. Okay. Now, if you want to learn more about all this stuff, feel free to join my Discord. The link is in the description. I'm happy to teach you, happy to go over all this stuff. You can check out my YouTube. I'm going to be making more and more content on this. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow me, make sure you pull up to the Discord where I have tools that are available for all the traders. And that's how you're going to be able to earn income the same way everybody else is doing it from home. Okay. I'll catch you guys in the next video. This video is getting pretty long. I don't want to make it so long, but definitely make sure you follow me, make sure you subscribe, and I'll be here to teach you some more stuff. See you soon.